And I know I've been closing myself off and sure. I know I've been real hard to reach, harder to love. And I know it's tiring, this shit is getting old. But please just hold on to me. I've slayed these demons, they're old to me. Recurring dreams, this is happening. Tearing my seams, lucid reality. And I just want you to feel love before it disappears. 'Cause we are more than we're not, so never fear to feel good when everything's wrong, and find some beauty there. 'Cause all we ever are is gray, and your world's not ending. So I won't go. I'm still living in the middle of a one-way war. I can't fight it, but I'm trying to be what you want. You can't sing, but you're singing this anyway. And anyway, so please just hold on to me. This is nowhere, we're not finished yet. Finding a way, we're just changing. Becoming more than I think of me. Yeah. These fears in my head and dreams in my bed, they won't get the best of me. 'Cause I chase dreams to the end. These nightmares so bad, silver linings are all I need. So please just hold on. I've slayed these demons, they're all me. Recurring dreams, this is happening. Tearing my seams from reality. And I just want you to feel love before it disappears. 'Cause we are more than we're not, so never fear to feel good when everything